Working in academic medicine, in primary care, you're building your leadership skills, and so you move into leadership administration. So that I enjoy because I'm helping people. And primary care, I also enjoy because I'm helping people. I'm helping people learn about themselves and become the best person they can be. People will do things for their kids more so than they will do things for themselves. So when you're seeing their child and they want this child, who's perfect by the way, to grow up and continue to be perfect, they're really interested. And if you help them with their confidence, their competence, their consistency in parenting and understanding what's important, they become a better person and a better parent. My greatest achievement is helping learners learn. So watching people learn about themselves, not just knowledge, but behavior, and gain in their skills and their confidence and competence, to, I think, being proud of the fact that, wow, I helped them get there. Look how they've blossomed. I think pediatricians, way before social determinants of health became a pat phrase, always knew that you're treating the whole family constellation because it's affecting the child. We're interested in health and safety, and health encompasses not just physical health, but mental health, emotional health, whatever you want to put as preceding the word health, it's important to pediatricians. I became cutting edge in pediatric addictions and pediatric substance use, to the point that I was a chair of a committee for the National American Academy of Pediatrics. But back at home, I was teaching, before it was popular, how to motivate people for change. And that was a whole new ballgame. And people have a lot of stigma, which is why I have this no stigma button, about mental health in particular, but maybe other issues that patients face. So I'm very proud of the fact that I made a difference, not just locally, but nationally, in helping people understand the importance of mental health.